Welcome to the training module describing the GigaVUE HD family of visibility platform nodes. In this module, you will explore the GigaVUE HD8 and GigaVUE-HD4 visibility platform nodes. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand how the GigaVUE HD Series nodes fit into the Gigamon Data in Motion Visibility Platforms portfolio. Describe the functions and capabilities of the GigaVUE HD8 and GigaVUE-HD4 nodes. Describe the line cards which are available for the GigaVUE HD8 and GigaVUE-HD4 nodes. Describe the options for node management and configuration. Understand how the GigaVUE HD Series nodes provide traffic visibility in support of the GigaSECURE Security Delivery Platform. The Gigamon Data in Motion Visibility Platforms provide pervasive visibility across physical, virtual, remote sites, and future SDN/NFV production networks. Development is always busy with new modules and technologies to address present and future needs as your network grows and evolves. The GigaVUE HD Series expands the GigaVUE H Series portfolio by offering unprecedented switching capacity, port density, 10 gigabit, 40 gigabit, 100 gigabit support, and a variety of GigaSmart options. The GigaVUE OS drives fundamental fabric services such as flow mapping, clustering, and inline bypass. Traffic intelligence is powered by GigaSmart technology, which provides stateful and packet-level optimization and normalization functions. GigaVUE Fabric Manager provides centralized management and a common policy framework for the entire visibility fabric. Fabric Manager also enables software-defined visibility for programmability, automation, and tool integration through an open extensible framework. The GigaVUE HD Series has two product offerings, each with multiple optional line cards and features. First, the GigaVUE HD8 offers a 14 RU chassis hosting 8 slots for almost any combination of line cards. For improved data center use, the chassis is designed for front-to-back airflow. There are 2 control modules which manage a variety of line cards, each line card offering different combinations of port speed and port density, ranging from 1 gigabit to 100 gigabit, and of course, the GigaSmart Packet Modification and Transformation line card. The GigaVUE HD4 supports all of the same features and line cards. The primary difference between the two HD chassis is found in the rack space requirement and the number of control cards. Refer to the HD Hardware Installation Guide and User Guides for the most current list of supported line cards, maximum supported quantity of each type of line card per chassis, and the latest features and options. Expanding further, the GigaVUE HD8 is populated with dual hot-swappable control cards that manage traffic forwarded between line cards and used for configuration and management functions. The GigaVUE HD8 can operate with only one control card in the event of a control card failure. The GigaVUE HD8 chassis has 8 slots for monitor port and GigaSmart line cards. Each slot is available for use with any of the available line cards. The chassis includes cable management guides that can support cables for the hundreds of ports available in a single chassis. The GigaVUE HD8 is designed for easy installation using quick mount keyhole slots. The design incorporates front-to-back airflow for operation in data centers running hot and cold aisles. Line cards, power supplies, and fans are all hot swappable. In the event of a failure, restoration of service for the failed part can almost always be performed without shutting down the node. That means the visibility fabric remains operational throughout. Only the affected part is impacted, and tools continue to receive traffic. The chassis can be configured to provide SNMP notifications in the event of component failures. The GigaVUE HD4 is a smaller version of the GigaVUE HD8, offering 1 control card and 4 slots for port and GigaSmart line cards. Control cards, port, and GigaSmart line cards are interchangeable between GigaVUE HD4 and GigaVUE HD8 chassis. The CCV2 control card has a higher performance envelope than its predecessor, the CCV1. This control card, like all other modules, is interchangeable between the GigaVUE HD4 and the GigaVUE HD8. 1 control card slot is populated on the GigaVUE HD4, and 2 slots are populated on the GigaVUE HD8. The CCV2 control card provides up to 1.2 terabit of backplane performance when installed in the GigaVUE HD4 chassis, and up to 2.4 terabit of backplane performance when two are installed in the GigaVUE HD8 chassis. The control cards provide management, cross-blade switching, and CPU resources for the entire chassis. The H Series family may be clustered for single virtual interface access and configuration of multiple nodes through the control card management interface. The CCV2 control card supports all of the current generation of line cards available for the HD family, including the 100 gigabit port modules. The HD family is modular and includes line card choices for all of the popular core network speeds and interfaces. Each of these line cards is interchangeable between the GigaVUE HD4 and the GigaVUE HD8. The first line card is for high-density 1 gigabit traffic and has 44 1 gigabit SFP ports along with 4 10 gigabit SFP Plus or 1 gigabit SFP ports. The second line card has support for 12 10 gigabit SFP Plus or 1 gigabit SFP ports in addition to 4 1 gigabit SFP ports. Higher 10 gigabit density plus 40 gigabit support is available from the third line card. It can be configured using two 40 gigabit QSFP Plus ports and 24 10 gigabit SFP Plus or 1 gigabit SFP ports, or it can be configured to activate all 32 10 gigabit ports and not activate the two 40 gigabit ports. The fourth line card provides 8 ports of 40 gigabit QSFP Plus support. Continuing the description of available line cards. 100 gigabit support is available from the following two line cards. A line card with two 100 gigabit capacity CFP or CFP2 ports along with an additional 8 10 gigabit SFP Plus or 1 gigabit SPF ports, and a line card with 6 100 gigabit capacity QSFP28 ports along with an additional 24 10 gigabit SFP Plus or 1 gigabit SPF ports. Note that any of the 100 gigabit ports on this line card can operate at 40 gigabits, which can be broken out into 4 times 10 gigabit ports called subports. In addition, the GigaSmart line card provides all GigaSmart services and applications depending on installed licenses. Both the GigaVUE HD4 and GigaVUE HD8 chassis support multiple GigaSmart line cards. Refer to the user documentation for the maximum number of GigaSmart line cards supported. For situations requiring nanosecond accurate timestamping, the Gigaport X12TS blade provides 12 10 gigabit SFP Plus ports, providing hardware-based timestamping. As technology changes, Gigamon has been there with new features and line cards, so that changing network architectures are supported with a simple line card upgrade. Both the GigaVUE HD4 and the GigaVUE HD8 can be configured and controlled through the following interfaces. The command line interface, or CLI, is accessed through an SSH or Telnet session on the Ethernet management interface, or via the RS-232 serial console. The console session supports scripting too. The Ethernet management interface on a single node may also be accessed using HTTP or HTTPS from a web browser, where the HView graphical user interface is presented. The preferred interface is the GigaVUE FM, or Fabric Manager platform, which is able to provide configuration services, as well as asset management and upgrade services, and even various reports, alerts, and graphs for physical and virtual GigaVUE nodes and clusters. When automated changes are desired, REST APIs accessible through GigaVUE FM can be used to programmatically update node configurations in order to automatically react to changing network conditions. Deploying security tools to address present and future threats can be problematic. There are multiple points of failure, traffic bottlenecks, and scalability challenges. To address these challenges, the GigaVUE HD products host key features in support of the GigaSECURE Security Delivery Platform, the industry's first security delivery platform. Examples include NetFlow generation, application session filtering, and SSL decryption. Refer to the GigaSECURE training module available in the GigaTech training series for more information about GigaSECURE. Additional details can be found in the CLI, HView, GigaVUE FM, and GigaSECURE training modules, user guides, the GigaVUE HD Series installation guide, and product datasheets. In this module, you explored the GigaVUE HD4 and GigaVUE HD8 visibility platform nodes. You are now able to Understand how the GigaVUE HD Series nodes fit into the Gigamon Data in Motion Visibility Platform's portfolio. Describe the functions and capabilities of the GigaVUE HD8 and GigaVUE HD4 nodes. Describe the line cards which are available for the GigaVUE HD8 and GigaVUE HD4 nodes. Describe the options for node management and configuration. Understand how the GigaVUE HD Series nodes provide traffic visibility in support of the GigaSECURE Security Delivery Platform. This concludes the training module describing the GigaVUE HD family of visibility platform nodes. Thank you.